Hey traders, welcome to the pre-market analysis. As usual, let's start with Nifty 50 index first. The market opened today at the price of 15,737 and made a high of 15,821, and our closing price was around 15,793, which is 56 points higher from the opening price. So the market ended positive today in this month expiry. So the June month expiry ends today and July month contracts begins from tomorrow. So you could clearly see yesterday we discussed that about the supply zone, demand zone, support and resistance. The market is now closed nearby a resistance. How could we trade for tomorrow on various scenarios? Let us discuss. So to find the levels, we'll use the Fibonacci projection. I'm using Zerodha chart. So this is Fibonacci projection tool. You could choose it from here. In that, go for settings. The 38.2 and 61.8 is an important levels of Fibonacci, and I use this regularly. Let us see. This is the low. From here the market moved till here, and now here it takes the reversal. Now you could see that this is 38.2 level and 61.8. The 38.2 level is the important resistance, and the next resistance is 61.8. So now the market has closed nearby 38.2 level. How could we take the trade tomorrow? I would suggest you, even if the market opens gap up, don't go for a buy. Let the market finishes its rally, because there's an important supply zone here. So if the market opens gap up, don't go for buy. If the market opens gap down, and you get a minimum stop loss, because if the market opens gap down around 15,790, the stop loss would be this 38.2 region, that is 15,822 or 15,825 will be your stop loss, and your target might be, the first target might be 15,750 and second is 15,700. So your risk reward will be very good here. If the market opens flat and the bullish candle closes above this 38.2 level, that means a single candle closes above this 38.2 level, then you could go for a buy by keeping this candle low as stop loss. So there you will be getting a minimum stop loss. So most of the time in the market, when the candle goes above 38.2, most probably it will be reaching the 61.8 level. It is just about the probability. I am not telling that every time it happens. So maximum time it will be happening. So if the candle crosses above 38.2 level, which means in level 15,830, you could go for a buy, and your target will be 15,890 or 15,900, which is the previous high. It is a supply zone. So this is for Nifty 50. Now let's go for Bank Nifty. Yeah, so the Bank Nifty is in 15 minutes time frame. Let me change to 30 minutes so that you'll be seeing it clear. The market is still in origin. The market yesterday closed nearby support, today also opened nearby support and started rally upward, because this is a very good support region. This is the region where we could go for a buy. We have a very minimum stop loss here, so this is a very good entry for buy, and the market move upward. So now what's next? How could we trade for tomorrow in Bank Nifty? Here also let us take our Fibonacci levels. There are a lot of levels. Every levels is important according to our users, but I regularly use 38.2 and 61.8. Here also the market low, high and reversal area. So this is the support, and this 38.2 is in resistance, which is around 35,000. Yeah, 35,050. So if the market opens flat, what could we do? If the market opens flat, just wait. You could see that the market is not traveling in the uptrend, right? So if the market opens flat or little gap up, you could go for a buy. Could you go for a buy? Just by keeping these candles low as a stop loss, and you could go for a buy, and 38.2 will be your target. Yes, and if the candle closes above 38.2, you could change the stop loss to this candle's low, and your target will be 61.8, which is around 35,350. This is for buying scenario. Or else if the market moves toward 38.2 level, which is 35,000 or 35,050, and forms a bearish candle, you could go for a selling with a minimum stop loss, and your target will be 34,750 and 34,550. This will be your target for selling. So this is all about Nifty and Bank Nifty. Yeah, and today the Reliance AJ meeting finished. A lot of important updates have been given by Mukesh Ambani. You could watch the video in CNBC or else the YouTube channel of Reliance. And today the foreign institutions have sold for 2,890 crores, and DI domestic institutions bought for 1,138 crores. So hope you have liked the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and do subscribe our channel so that you will be getting notified whenever we upload new videos. So from next week we'll be posting updates on Nifty, Bank Nifty, and we're planning to do analysis on commodity. I think I'll be starting with natural gas first, and accordingly we'll be move with some other scripts. Yeah. So have a happy trading.